So this is what the bottom of your oil rail looks like. These are the things I'm talking about. There's a tool. They sell a special tool. When you look up and buy these nipple cup or ball ring or oil rail oil valves, you can term it any way you want to term it. It'll all come up the same. But there's a tool. When you buy these, you'll get a set of these right here. There'll be 8 in a set. There'll be 8 of these little things right here, and an O-ring that goes under them, and a tool that takes that out right there. There's torque specifications. Google it. Make sure you torque it right. Now, over here on this side, we're back to the truck. I got my standpipe. I got my little flex tube off. This is my standpipe. Change that while you're in there. They're only like 20-30 bucks, different places. And then each O-ring, I'm going to change. See that those little nipple cups fit right down in there. So that gets wore out, and that high pressure, that oil running through there, 2,000-3,000 psi's, it wears those O-rings out, and that'll cause you a leak in your high pressure oil system. And instead of the pressure going down to open the injector, it'll be leaking out, so your injectors won't open. Like this truck, I had a hot no start. It would crank until it got up so hot. When that oil gets thinner and it's hotter, it couldn't overcompensate because of the leaks.